Hey folks, this is Phil from Sicard RV showing you the 2021 Quailridge 44FKBH-C. Here's an exterior look of the Quailridge. Take a look, folks. Nice thermal pane windows. Thermal pane patio door, your second entrance. And again, the colors are all customizable. So if you don't like this charcoal exterior, we can do beige, we can do white. There's a whole bunch of different options we can choose from. If you're ever considering a Quailridge, keep in mind that we offer delivery and setup on all of our Quailridges. So we'll put it up on blocks and set up the interior because there's a lot of loose components in these units. So we will set it all up for you and deliver it if need be. We're going to start over here in the kitchen where you have your range and your hood, which is actually a conventional microwave. And just down here is your full residential style propane oven. Lots of nice cabinetry. Over here you could get an optional dishwasher. It's a smaller dishwasher, but you could have it put in just over here. A beautiful view, all depending on what you are facing on your lot. It's got great counter space, nice sink. Just over here we've got this great residential reefer, Samsung. And in the middle here we have the dining area island. You can sit at it or you can, cut up vegetables and whatnot. We're going to continue over here in the living room where you have your electric fireplace, your hookups for your TV. And again, because this unit is customizable, if you don't want the door over here, you can have it put over here, the fireplace put over there, so it's really customizable to whatever you guys desire. Over here we have a sectional sofa with hide bed, and it comes with all the lamps and coffee tables, all the window dressings, and again, if you want to change the colors, we can do that for you. All right, so just over here we have the front, the main patio door, lots of space to walk in and take your shoes off. Just down the hall here, we've opted this one with the residential style heat and air conditioning. So you could technically live in this 12 months out of the year, just so you're aware. So just over here in the bunk room, we stored all the additional light fixtures and whatnot that get installed once it gets to your site. But you have two double-sized bunk beds, some storage underneath, a nice big closet for extra storage. Windows, so plenty of ventilation and light. And if you didn't want these bunks, you could actually have them removed and have this as an office or just a storage space. So this unit comes with a three-piece main washroom, your sink, your residential style toilet, and a nice stand-up shower and bathtub. So again, because this unit is customizable, we've opted to have this great pantry area or a place just to put stuff. You know how we all have stuff? So again, this is customizable, so you can have it or not have it. Just over here in the bedroom, we've done a king-size bed in this one with side tables, lights on either side, two windows, plenty of ventilation, vaulted ceilings throughout. Over here, we have a spot for a TV and a great area, great storage area all the way around here on both sides. Here, take a look over here. There. And lots of floor space. And I'll tell you all why. This particular unit is actually 13 foot wide. Normally, these will come either 12 and sometimes expand in the middle area to 13, but it all depends on the model that you choose. But this particular model is a 13 foot wide all the way from bumper to hitch. I want to share with you all that these Quailridges, we can actually customize pretty much anything that you'd like. We have an array of exterior colors, same thing with the interior colors. You can do white, you can do dark wood, light wood, same thing with your floors, your appliances, everything is really customizable. So keep that in mind when you see one of your sales specialists to order. Here are a few examples of how you can customize these Quailridges. Backsplashes, there's a couple of different ideas. Exterior colors. Over here we have interior fabrics with drapes. Here's another beautiful, if you like the beach style, this is very nice. Your flooring, your exteriors. Over here we have some more interior colors. I want to show you the wall board, so you can change the color of the walls, and your countertops, and then these are your wood colors. So as you can see, we really have a wide range of different colors we can offer you, so you can customize it to the way that you'd like it. Thanks for taking the tour of this 2021 Quailridge 44FKBH-C. If you'd like more information, please contact us at sales@sicardrv.com.